Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Jisnu. Today we are diving into something super exciting and incredibly useful in UA design. Creating interactive components using variants. Creating interactive components using variants. We are going to see the importance of creating an interactive component for micro interactions. If you are a beginner, this is going to be a game changer for you. I have noticed that some beginners create multiple pages for simple interactions like toggles or switches. This approach can quickly get complicated in the end. Lots of screens, multiple screens, and even if you are doing the prototype, you will get confused. So today I'll show you a better way using components variants instead of creating multiple pages for creating micro interactions. Let's jump into it. We'll create a toggle button that shows switch on and switch off states using variants. Let's begin. As you see here, I have created two screens, and this is a toggle button, and this is a switch on button, and this is a switch off button. Okay, I have created multiple screens for these interactions. This is what I usually notice. Okay, usually what we'll do, we'll be creating switch on button here, and we'll just copy this screen and we'll create another screen which showing the switch off button, and we'll be connecting both screens. Just think, if you are doing like this, how many screens will be there? It will create complicated, right? It will be complicated here, right? Here, fine. Okay, so we don't need this screen. Just deleting this one. We need only one screen to show that toggle button switch on and switch off. Okay, this video is especially for the beginners. Okay, I just copying this, taking out. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, I just taking this button out. Toggle button. I'm too lazy to create another toggle button. That's why I'm just copying. Just copy and paste in the button. Okay. Now we have created toggle button. Just create component out of this. This is a icon for create component. Okay. If sometimes you will see here. Okay, sometimes it will be in the toolbox. Okay, you can use the shortcut keys, but now I am showing you the straightforward method. Create component. Now we have created component for the toggle button. Next part is going to be too interesting and a wow factor if you are too beginner. Okay, now we are going to create variants out of this. So first thing, we created a component, then we created variants. So we have got two variants. You can create as much as variants you want. It's fine. But we need only switch off button and switch on button. So I have created switch off, switch on button and switch off button. Okay. I'll repeat again. So this is a toggle button that we created, and we are going to create component. Now the component is created. Now we are going to create variants. I mean add variants. So we have added one more variant. Variant is nothing but just simply if we say variants, like here the variants are like switch on, switch off button. So there will be like two variants, right? On, off, That is kind of variance, right? That is that. It's a simple term. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so we have got two variants, and I just need to change the color of button. Okay, I just have selected this one, and I just want to move this. I didn't create auto layout. That's why I have to move manually. Yeah, that's fine. This is just for you, make you understand. Okay, don't do this one. This is a wrong thing. You have to create auto layout, and you have to change the location of this circle. Okay, never do the manually. It's a wrong method. So this is another lesson for the beginners. Okay, we have got two variants here. One is switch on and one is switch off. Okay, let's prototype. I didn't change the color. Let's change the color. Okay, now click on the prototype and connect with this button. Here on click, change to variant 2, that is our switch off button. Okay, what we done is nothing. I'll repeat again. This is a button, switch on button. This is on button, and we are adding connection to this button. Okay, for that I just click prototype and just drag this one and connect it to the button switch off, but I mean switch off button. Okay, it will be confusing, right? Yeah, I'll say the on button and off button. Yeah, this is off button. I have connected to the off button now, and as you see here, action change to, yeah, that's all correct, everything done. Yeah, and again we have to connect this back to the this is on button. Okay, so we have connected both buttons as you see here. Okay, and now we have created a micro interaction component easily. Let's check the components. See, we have created the toggle button here. I'll rename it as toggle. Always remember to name the buttons or name all the screens that you are creating, so you it will avoid the confusion. Even if you hand over the work to someone, it will be easy for them to find the screens or the buttons easily by the name. Okay, so I have just named toggle button, and let's delete this one. This one is the old one, and drag this one and just paste here. Okay, this is a interactive component that we created using variants. Okay, let's see the prototype. Okay, why? Oh, oh no, this is Figma is playing with me. Yeah, now the button is working. See, this is an easy process. This is very simple process. If you just invest like at least half an hour, you will be able to learn this kind of interactions, creating components using variants. This is very easy process. Okay, let's see. We have created easily one toggle switch off switch on buttons, and we just created only one screen instead of multiple pages. And if you are creating one more frame, say for example, if I'm saying if you are adding one more screen, just for example, I just have added another screen. We can name it as T2 transaction screen 2. Okay, you just want to drag this toggle button. If you needed a toggle button in the second screen, just drag. For example, if I am typing like are you school something blah 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 things. Okay, so this is our second screen. Okay, you don't want to create again and this toggle button. It will be already in your local assets. If you go to the left panel of your Figma, there will be a button called assets. You can find the created components in that. You just want to drag from there and just place it on where you want. So that's a easy method. Now we have added this toggle button to this one. Let's see whether this one is also working. See, this is the easiest method. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed and understood the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more UI design tips and tricks. Drop a comment if you have any questions or topics if you would like us to cover next. Happy designing. Thank you so much. Video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.